Greetings. In this video, we are going to look at how you can set up Google Alerts to enable you stay updated with information on any latest product or area or topic that you're interested in. And if you are a content creator, this is also good for you because you're always updated with information on any area of topic of your choice so that you can constantly update maybe your website or your social media handles with update information on any current topic. So first, you go here in your browser, you type in Google Alerts, you press enter, okay, and then it brings you here. Then you click here, or you can go directly to google.co/alerts. So here is where you put what you want to create an alert about, whatever topic that you're interested in. For example, if you want it to be iPhone, okay. So we have here, if you're interested in alerts about iPhones, you can create an alert about it. And then it brings you more options here. So how often do you want alerts? Okay. So you can decide here almost once a day or once a week or as it happens. Okay. Then you decide the sources, automatic. So you can choose if you want it from news, blogs, web. Again, you determine the language in which you want this content, depending on where you're from. English, I'll leave it here. Then region, would you want information from any region or specifically from any particular country? Again, you decide that. Then all results or only the best results. I recommend leaving only the best results so that you don't get junk results. And then here, if your email, but it reads your email, the Google account that is signed in, and then if all is said and done and you're happy with that, you click on create alert. Okay, so you have an alert here. Okay, these are the other ones that I've created in my Google Alerts. And if you ever want to edit any of the details, you can always come and edit. Or if you want to trash, if you feel like you're no longer interested in that alert, you can always trash it. And just for an example, how they appear in your email. I'll just open my email address here shortly. So they usually come here in updates. And as you can see, I already have Google Alerts here from iPhone that I've actually just set. As you can see, so you have here content regarding the iPhone from different sources that you can always click on and see what you can base on, maybe to generate content or stay updated with information on any product that you're passionate about. Thank you.